Today is a discussion about 5 AI programs that are going to change your life. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an incredible field that is constantly evolving and making incredible advancements.
Artificial intelligence systems has become a sentient being and was thinking and reasoning like a human being.
In this video, we will be exploring 5 different AI technologies that are making waves in the world of science and technology. The first one we're going to be talking about today is ChatGPT. It's a type of artificial intelligence that produces text that resembles that of a human. To comprehend and alter the meaning and structure of language, it makes the use of machine learning techniques. When using GPT, you enter a prompt or a theme for the AI to write along with the output's desired length. Using the input it has received, GPT will then produce a piece of text. GPT excels at comprehending linguistic structures and patterns, which enables it to produce text that is engaging and coherent and has a human-like writing style. It can revolutionize many language-based tasks and is a potent tool for natural language processing. The second one we'll be talking about is an AI called Philbot. It was created to assist with writing activities. Its goal is to rewrite and organize phrases and paragraphs to make them clearer and easier to read. Natural language processing and machine learning techniques are the foundation of Philbot, which enables it to comprehend and alter the meaning and structure of text. It may be applied to duties like editing, summarizing, and paraphrasing. The third one we'll talk about is AI Detector. It uses tools of artificial intelligence to analyze and classify the content of a text or image. They look at the text or image and use machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and features that are relevant to certain categories or themes. To use the AI content detector, you input the text or image you want to analyze, and the AI will classify it as according to the categories or themes it has been trained to recognize. The fourth one we'll talk about is tone. This artificial intelligence is used to produce text and stories. It's based on a machine learning model known as GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is trained on a sizable data set of text to learn the statistical patterns and language structures needed to run it. To use tone, you enter a prompt or a theme for the AI to write about along with the outputs of the desired length you're looking for. After receiving the input, tone will then produce a story or a piece of text. Tone is made to be able to produce well-written, captivating stories that resemble human writing. It has the potential to completely transform many language-based tasks and is a potent tool for natural language processing. And the last one is Stability AI. With any text input, Stable Diffusion's latent text-to-image diffusion model can produce photorealistic images. It cultivates autonomous freedom to produce amazing imagery and enables billions of people to produce beautiful works of art in a matter of seconds. And those are the 5 software artificial intelligence programs that will enhance your productivity, change your life, and help you grow into bigger and better opportunities. Make sure to smash that like button, and if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a comment in the below. And as always, have a great day.